Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of delicious chicken cutlet. This is my Amma's recipe and she's only preparing this for our channel. Without further delay, let's get started. Take 400 grams of boneless chicken in a pressure cooker and add in salt as needed. In goes 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. Add in 2 potatoes. And finally add in half a cup of water. Mix all the ingredients and pressure cook it for 4 to 5 whistles. So make sure the potato is cooked perfectly. The chicken and the potatoes are cooked well. Shred the chicken by blending it in a mixer grinder. Heat a pan and add in 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil. Add in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Salt it nicely until the raw smell goes off. Add in 2 chopped green chilli and curry leaf. Now add in 2 finely chopped onions. Saute it nicely until the onion turns translucent. The speciality of this cutlet is that this won't absorb more oil while frying. Add in salt as needed. Once onions are cooked, add in 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chilli flakes. In goes half a teaspoon of pepper powder. In goes 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Salt it nicely until all the masalas are combined well like this. Now add in the shredded chicken and the potatoes. Mash the potatoes nicely with the spoon like this. Add in half a cup of breadcrumbs. Mix it nicely until everything combines well. Switch off the flame and finally add in some coriander leaf. Transfer the cutlet mix in a bowl and cool it. Mix it nicely with your hand. Here I have taken some maida and added some water and mixed it. This is breadcrumbs to dip and fry. Make medium sized balls and flatten it. You can make any shape as per your wish. With this measurement, we'll be able to make 12 cutlets. Dip the cutlet in maida mix and roll it in breadcrumbs. The chicken cutlets are ready to be fried now. You can store these patties in freezer and fry when required. Heat enough sunflower oil in a pan and add in the cutlet. Fry it until it turns golden brown color on both the sides. Well, this wouldn't take much time since the patties are already cooked. This is best tea time snack and you can even serve it for lunch. Chicken cutlets are cooked perfectly. Delicious chicken cutlets are ready to be served now. Do try this recipe and share me the feedback. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes like this. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.